Welcome to Next Kid Genius.
Tiger. Tiger, majestic striped predator of the jungle, known for its strength and agility. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Kangaroo. Kangaroo, iconic marsupial of Australia, renowned for its powerful hind legs and pouch. Jaguar. Jaguar, stealthy big cat with a spotted coat, reigning as a top predator in its habitat. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Deer. Deer, graceful woodland creature, often found grazing in meadows and forests. Anaconda. Anaconda, massive snake inhabiting swamps and rivers, famous for its impressive size and constricting abilities. Python. Python, large non-venomous snake known for its powerful constriction and distinctive pattern. Elephant. Elephant, magnificent gentle giant with a trunk and tusks, revered for its intelligence and social bonds. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee, highly intelligent primate, displaying complex social behaviors and tool usage. Lion. Lion, majestic mane-bearing predator of the savanna, symbolizing strength and leadership. Flamingo. Flamingo, vibrant pink wading bird with long legs and a distinctive curved beak, found in shallow waters. Lizard. Lizard, diverse group of reptiles, ranging from tiny geckos to formidable Komodo dragons. Bear. Bear, powerful mammal with a stocky build and sharp claws, found in various habitats worldwide. Iguana. Iguana, herbivorous lizard with a long tail and spiky dorsal crest, often seen basking in the sun. Gorilla. Gorilla, largest living primate, inhabiting dense forests and exhibiting complex social structures. Cockatoo. Cockatoo, colorful and intelligent parrot species known for their crests and loud calls. Hyena. Hyena, carnivorous scavenger with a distinctive laugh-like vocalization, found in savannas and grasslands. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, large semi-aquatic mammal with a barrel-shaped body and fearsome tusks, inhabiting rivers and lakes. Eagle. Eagle, mighty bird of prey with sharp talons and keen eyesight, soaring high in the sky. Monkey. Monkey, agile and playful primate with a diverse range of species found across the globe. Peacock. Peacock, stunningly beautiful bird, known for its iridescent plumage and extravagant tail display. Baboon. Baboon, social and adaptable old-world monkey, often found in troops across various habitats. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros, massive herbivore with thick skin and a horned snout, roaming grasslands and forests. Macaw. Macaw, colorful and intelligent parrot species, prized for its ability to mimic human speech. Raccoon. Raccoon, clever and adaptable mammal with a distinctive mask-like facial marking, often found near water sources. Spider monkey. Spider monkey, agile arboreal primate with a long prehensile tail, swinging through the treetops. Parrot. Parrot, highly intelligent bird with a strong beak and vibrant plumage, capable of mimicry and vocalization. Wild dog. Wild dog, social carnivore found in packs, exhibiting cooperative hunting behaviors. Gecko. Gecko, small lizard with specialized toe pads for climbing and adhesive capabilities. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkey, small and nimble primate with a long tail, inhabiting tropical forests of South America. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagle, powerful bird of prey with a distinctive crest, preying on monkeys and other small mammals in the rainforest canopy. Zebra. Zebra, striped equid known for its distinctive black and white coat pattern, found in savannas and grasslands. Leopard. Leopard, agile and elusive big cat with a spotted coat, blending seamlessly into its forest habitat. Giraffe. Giraffe, tallest land mammal with a long neck and unique coat pattern, feeding on tall trees in the savanna. Koala. Koala, arboreal marsupial with a specialized diet of eucalyptus leaves, native to Australia. Falcon. Falcon, swift and powerful bird of prey, renowned for its speed and precision in flight. Orangutan. Orangutan, solitary arboreal ape with shaggy red fur, found in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra.